Today I'm going to be showing you two custom Friday the 13th minifigs. They're both Jason. So I have one part 3 and one part 7. Yeah, I think that's part 7. So here we go. So let's start with part 3. Now this Jason, he has a brown jacket. You can't really see it. Kinda see it right there. But he has a white shirt, of course. He has normal skin toned hands. And he has dark blue pants. You can't really see it, well, kind of there, but yeah, right there you can kind of see through dark blue pants. And the hockey mask, it's just paper. I'm planning on make it so you can put it on and off and stuff, but under that mask is like one of the stormtrooper heads, you know, the one that's all angry and stuff. 'Cause there's no other face. I mean, that's like the most common face ever. So yeah, let's move on to part 7. Now here is part 7. You can see there's a Venom head under there, and you can see the teeth. And he has a jacket, some pants, some hands. I know the clothes aren't like part 7, I guess, but I didn't have any other clothes, so yeah. But his teeth are showing. Yeah, I like the mask. I like that chunk that's just taken off, and I like the Venom head underneath for the teeth. Just so good to me. The mask might not be like this line right here on the cheek. I'm not sure if that was in part 7, but I just put it in because stuff. So yeah, that's part 7. So that was part 3 and part 7 of Jason Voorhees. I hope you guys enjoyed this Lego review. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye!